Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages action picture. In today's pictures, we are going to talk about a person who has a very messy room, and his mom says you need to clean your room. And so what I'm going to do in this picture or action picture, so first I'm going to say the sentences in Dari. At the same time I try to conjugate them and also translate and explain each sentences so you can learn how to use those sentences in your daily conversation. So in here I'm not going to be very formal. I'll say the sentences in daily spoken words so you can understand when you're meeting an Afghan or when you're traveling to another countries where Dari or Persian is spoken. All right, so we're gonna start from the first picture. Okay, let me say something in Dari. So سلام دوستای عزیز، خوب هستین، بخیر هستین، امید که جور و سرحال باشین. I hope y'all are doing good. Anyhow, به هر حال so the تصویر اول in the first picture the تصویر اول میبینیم. In the first picture we see میبینیم is like see. We see in the first picture the تصویر اول میبینیم. مادر ای بچه میآید. This boy's mom comes. مادر ای بچه میآید و میگه بچه‌م اتاقت کم نامنظم است یا اتاقت کثیف شده. کثیف is literally that is like a place. It's a little messy or a little dirty, but it's not that much dirty. It means like it's كثيف, like things are not in place or things are kind of unorganized, and you see everything is on the floor. So that is called a little, maybe it's كثيف, or yeah. اتاقت کم کثیف است. باید اتاقت پاک کنی. And she says باید اتاقت پاک کنی. You should clean your house, yeah, your room. And he says و او میگه درست است مادر جان. درست است مادر جان. درست است means all right or okay. درست است مادر جان. All right, my mom, or my dear mom. So in Afghan culture we use John quite a lot. مادر جان، بیادر جان، خواهر جان, you know. Yeah. Anyhow, the تصویر دوم in the second picture the تصویر دوم میبینیم. او پیشبند خودم میپوشه. پیشبند. This is پیشبند. In English that is apron. He puts on his apron. او پیشبند خودم میپوشه. و the تصویر سوم میبینیم. In the third picture we see او دستشوی پاک میکنه یا دستشوی پودر کالاشویی مندازه. I think it's a kind of a washing powder. پودر کالاشویی. او دستشوی پودر کالاشویی را مندازه. He puts the washing powder in the sink. So he puts it مندازه. Here it means مندازه. او دستشوی پودر لباسشویی را مندازه و بعداً and then و ظرفشویی را پاک میکنه یا میشویه. Here it means he washes. پاک میکنه it is like clean. I think he's washing the sink. ولی او ظرفشویی را میشویه. Alright, it could also mean like he's washing. We talk about میشویه like in present tense. In Dari we use in three situations. The first one is it could be the present tense and continuous or future tense, but it depends on the context of a sentence. So we can figure out from the situation or from the context of a sentence, like, oh, this is about simple present tense, or it's continuous, or it's a future tense. Yeah, so you can watch some other videos where I put them on our YouTube channel, so you can just check it out, those videos. So I think so far we uploaded 2 or 3 action pictures. I explain everything, like, yeah. Anyhow, let's move on. The taswira panjum in the fifth picture. در تصویر پنجم او آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. او آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. he cleans. پاک میکنه it means he cleans. او آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. it could also mean he's cleaning the kitchen. او آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. Now here's the thing, if I say I clean, how would I conjugate that one? I say ما آشپزخانه را پاک میکنم. Here I can also get rid of ما, which is a personal pronoun. Sometimes we drop personal pronouns. In Dari we just say yeah, here it is better to say آشپزخانه را پاک میکنم or ما آشپزخانه را پاک میکنم. So sometimes we drop personal pronouns. If I say here he cleans or he's cleaning, you say I can say او آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. او آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. So he's cleaning or he cleans the kitchen. Yep. بعدن and then او سطل. This is سطل. Okay, we say سطل. او سطل پر از آب میکنه. So he fills the bucket with water. Yeah, he fills it with water. Here I can also say او اوایلا میکنه. So here اوایلا کردن literally it means he releases the water. But here and that could be the equivalent of he turns on the water. He turns the water on. او آب اعلا میکنه و سطل از آب پر میکنه. بعداً در تصویر دیگه in the next picture تصویر دیگه او مایع ظرفشویی. This is مایع ظرفشویی. It's a washing a liquid. Yeah, it's a washing liquid. Yep. او مایع ظرفشویی را در سطل مندازه. The سطل مندازه. He puts it or he pours it or in the bucket. و بعداً پاسپاسک. This is called پاسپاسک or yeah, it's kind of a, you know, it's a sweeping it's a sweeping, I don't know what is that called in English, but it's kind of a thing you clean the room. Say پاسپاسک. او پاسپاسک چی میکنه؟ او پاسپاسک در سطل میزنه. So he hits, literally it means he hits in the bucket, but basically he makes it wet. او پاسپاسک تر میکنه. تر کردن is to make something wet. تر میکنه و بعداً and then او روی آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه و روی آشپزخانه را پاک میکنه. So he cleans the floor of a kitchen. بعداً او فرنیچر را پاک میکنه. We say furniture, we say furniture. In English, you know, you guys have furnitures. او اول چی را پاک میکنه؟ اول او I think this is sofa. We also say couch. We say couch. او couch پاک میکنه و سر میز پاک میکنه. He cleans the top of the table. سر میز پاک میکنه. couch پاک میکنه. You can also say چوکی بازودار. So yeah, we say couch. Mostly, even if it's for one person, we say couch. او couch پاک میکنه. بعدن او کثافات میگیره. کثافات is like trash. او کثافات میگیره و در داخل زباله‌دانی مندازه. زباله‌دانی is a trash bin or trash can. He puts or he throws them in the trash bin. او کثافات در زباله‌دانی مندازه. This is زباله‌دانی. And these are trash. We say کثافات در داخل زباله‌دانی مندازه. بعدن او جاروی برقی را میگیره. This is جاروی برقی را میگیره و جاروی برقی را در برق میزنه. برق is electricity. با برق میزنه like he plugs in. Yeah, we use this one as a metaphor. با برق میزنه. He hits it in the electricity. But that is the equivalent of he plugs in. Yeah. او جاروی برقی را با برق میزنه. بعدن then what does he do? Let me zoom it a little bit. بعدن او روی خانه را پاک میکنه با جاروی برقی. او روی خانه را پاک میکنه و او سر قالین پاک میکنه. on the top of the what? قالین. او سر قالین پاک میکنه. بعدن او سطل و جاروی برقی را جمع میکنه. جمع کردن literally it means to collect, but yeah, جمع میکنه و با اتاق دیگه میمانه. he puts in the next room. و او مادرش میگه که مادر بیا بیبی. mother come and see. مادرش میبینه که همه جای پاک و ستره است. پاک و ستره. and every place is like clean and everything is on the place. همه جای چیز پاک و ستره است. و مادرش میگه آفرین بچه‌ایم. Well done my son. And the boy و بچه بسیار خوش است و مادر بچه هم بسیار خوش است. Alright everybody, that is the end of the action picture for today. If you have any questions or anything, or if you have a suggestion for our videos, so just please go ahead and put your suggestion in the comment section, where I will read and try to make the videos based on your needs and expectations. So yeah, our resources are free of charge, like here on YouTube. But if you are interested in learning Dari, you can just go ahead and check out our website, so which is www.gaplanguages.com. So where you can find our, where you can book your slots. So we have a lot of teachers. We teach Afghan local languages, Dari, Pashto, Uzbek, and even we have classes for people who travel to another countries, like they don't know how to speak English. We also provide English classes. If you're interested in studying these languages, please check out our website, and we are keen to help you with your ideal language. All right, everybody, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and share it with your friends, so we will be motivated this way to make more and provide more videos for y'all. All right, take care and Khuda Hafiz.